Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? With dividend investing, this can be your reality. Instead of stressing over every market dip, imagine effortlessly collecting checks every single month. That's the beauty of building a portfolio of solid dividend-paying companies. In this video, I'm going to break down the ins and outs of dividend investing, showing you exactly how to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll explore how these companies make money and why they share those profits with investors like you. Most importantly, I'm going to reveal 3 incredible stocks known for their juicy monthly dividend payouts. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term sustainable wealth. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a company that's practically synonymous with monthly dividends. Realty Income, often referred to as the monthly dividend company. They've built an empire around the idea of paying you, the shareholder, every single month like clockwork. Realty Income is a real estate investment trust, or REIT for short. Think of them as landlords on a massive scale. They own and lease out a staggering portfolio of over 11,000 commercial properties across the United States. We're talking about those standalone buildings you see every day, convenience stores, drugstores, restaurants. They rent these properties out to well-established businesses on long-term leases, often with built-in rent increases. This creates a predictable stream of rental income flowing directly into Realty Income's coffers, month after month. REITs like Realty Income are legally required to distribute a significant portion of their profits back to shareholders as dividends. Their track record is impressive, with over 620 consecutive monthly dividend payments and 100 dividend increases under their belt. Next up, let's talk about a company that's practically joined at the hip with modern life Verizon Communications. This telecom giant needs no introduction. They're one of the biggest players in the mobile phone, internet, and cable TV industries, connecting millions of people across the country. Verizon provides essential services that people rely on day in and day out, regardless of what's happening in the economy. Even during recessions, people need their phones and internet connections. This makes Verizon a relatively stable and recession-resistant investment. Verizon is a dividend aristocrat, a title reserved for companies that have increased their dividend payments for at least 25 consecutive years. Verizon consistently boasts a dividend yield that's significantly higher than the average yield of the S&P 500. If you're looking for a stable, reliable dividend payer with a history of rewarding shareholders, Verizon Communications deserves a top spot on your watch list. They're a prime example of how investing in essential businesses can lead to long-term wealth creation. Chapter 3, Ares Capital Corporation tapping into the power of private equity dividends. Meet Ares Capital Corporation, a business development company, or BDC, that's been quietly generating impressive returns for its investors. Essentially, Ares Capital acts as a lender and investor in other companies, primarily middle-market companies that are often overlooked by traditional banks. Think of them as a financial lifeline for businesses with strong growth potential. Ares Capital provides these companies with the capital they need to expand, and in return, they receive interest payments and sometimes even equity in these businesses. It's like being a venture capitalist, but with the added bonus of regular dividend payments. BDCs like Ares Capital are structured in a way that requires them to distribute a large percentage of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. This translates to higher dividend yields compared to many traditional stocks. Now, it's important to note that investing in BDCs does come with a slightly higher risk profile compared to, say, blue-chip companies like Verizon. However, Ares Capital has a strong track record of managing risk and generating consistent returns. If you're looking to diversify your dividend portfolio with a company that offers the potential for higher yields, Ares Capital Corporation is definitely worth a closer look. So, there you have it. 3 incredible companies paying out juicy dividends every single month. Remember, dividend investing is like planting seeds for a bountiful financial future. It's about making your money work for you, generating passive income that grows over time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building strategies, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. Ready to start your journey toward financial freedom through dividend investing? Let's get started.